lecture. For this, I'm gonna create my Auth screen UI some user friendly. As what I'm going to do, as I have my login form and sign up form here. What I'm trying to do, like whenever I click on the any field and if my keyboard is open, then this action area should be should be goes to some to the top side and logo should be hidden so that user will able to uh, fill all of its credential at once and also able to perform action using touch buttons. So what I'm going to do, use keyboard avoiding view. You need to import it from React Native. Also, I need touchable without feedback so that whenever keyboard is open, I can perform any action, like whenever when I click anywhere on the screen, it will simply hide the keyboard. So for keyboard avoiding, I'm going to use same style as I'm using my safe area view. And next thing, I'm going to pass it behavior. It's not showing me, I think. Okay, I haven't completed my style tag here. That's that should be fine. So behavior, for this I have to use uh, my platform. If platform.os is iOS, then I'm going to use padding, otherwise I'm going to use height. Also, I need to keyboard vertical offset, like when keyboard is open, how much of padding it will take from the bottom or top. For this, I'm going to pass same value which I had created at my constant. If you go to constant, it will see like a keyboard or vertical offset is -50. This one. Make sure you have value there, and here I need to pass on press property, and it's going to just dismiss the keyboard. So this should be keyboard. Make sure import keyboard from React Native library and keyboard.dismiss. Like let's test. Now it's working fine. Now let's move to the logo part. I'm gonna create a state, like here const show logo, and toggle. This should be toggle logo, and by default I'm using use state and passing it value of true, and copy this one. And for the logo section here, what I'm going to do, here I need to pass, if show logo pops is state is true, then it gonna show the logo at that time only. That's all. Now I have to write the action on focus and blur. Like whenever my keyboard input is focus, I do not want to show the logo, but whenever I'm not typing, I just need to see my logo here. So here I'm gonna pass the action on focus. Focus should be, there should be action for handle focus to the keyboard, and on blur there should be the function for the handle blur. Save this one, copy this, and I'm going to paste here as well. So I need to make method here as well. Let's I'm gonna put the command on Fox input and copy this line. This should be on below the input. So let's create method for this. So const handle Fox. This should be an arrow function, and I had to give an extra space here, and another function should be handle below. So for this one, I'm going to just set timeout to use set timeout function, since while we are show and hide the function on hide the logo based on the focus and blur function, while keyboard is showing or hiding, it will take some time. So I'm just passing 200 millisecond to perform this action. So set timeout, and this should be an arrow function. I'm going to use toggle logo for this. I'm going to false, save this one, and if I'm using blur, then it should be true. And for this, I'm going to give timeout of 200 millisecond. Let me see. Okay, I had misspelled here. This is handle focus and this is handle blur. Save this one. Let's see what happened. There you can see, can't find variable handle focus. Okay, I misspelled here as well. There you can see, if what I'm going to do, refresh this once, as fast refresh do not work as a fast reload. There you can see it is more user friendly now user can perform any action from here as well. So do the same thing here for the sign up. Just what I need to do, I'm just going to copy all of these and move to sign up screen. Okay, and before this, paste here, and I need my keyboard avoiding view, and cut it from here, and save there. Okay, and now from React Native package, I need to import keyboard avoiding view, touchable, without feedback, platform, and that's all. And I need from my constant keyboard vertical offsets. Now I need my on focus and on blur function here as well. So copy all of these and paste it here, and I need my on press and blur property here as well. So for input field, paste it here, confirm passwords, yeah, paste same thing here, save this, and last thing I need to use my show logo or toggle logo state. Now here I'm going to show logo or toggle logo, and for the logo here press enter, make if show logo, then it is gonna point at that condition, it's going to show my logo screen. Save this one, reload our application once, and let's see if it's working or not. Okay, it's not finding the variable keyboard as on touchable without feedback. I'm using keyboard dismiss. So import, don't forget to import it as well. Sign up. Now you can see it is working fine, and user have like it is more user friendly, like a user can do all things at a time without hit here next button again and again. You can simply type and jump to the next field, and simply you can perform your action, sign up or login uh, from here. And if you click anywhere on the screen, you will able to see your logo. So that's all.